Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna continue working on my 2018 GMC Sierra 3500, and my plan for today's episode is to completely prepare everything in order to put this cap back on the frame that I fixed a few episodes back. If you haven't saw that video, link's gonna be over there. Go check it out. So basically what I need to do is today I need to assemble the firewall in the front of this cap, and also I need to get this frame inside the shop so I can assemble exhaust system, and there's few other things before I can put a cap, like a DPF fluid reservoir, actually not the reservoir, it's a tank, connect everything so that way the cap is not gonna be on the way. And then in next episode, hopefully I'm gonna be able to knock it down everything in this episode, so in next episode I can finally put this cap back on the truck and everything gonna start getting back together. I was thinking to paint it today, but also I don't wanna cover all those parts that are laying around over here. Too much work. It's easier to just put a cap on the frame, get the truck out, clean everything. I need to clean this pile, put it back on the parts truck, in the parts truck. Basically, prepare everything that I can think of in order to put this cap back. And hopefully this truck will be done real soon. I'm back from Cali. The car is on the trailer outside. I couldn't understand if you guys wanted to reveal or not, so I decided if this video gonna get 2,000 likes, I will release the video. Video is already uploaded on YouTube. All I have to do is make it public. I did ask you guys on Instagram and the YouTube community, and I couldn't get the clear answer if you guys want to see it. The build I purchased that I'm gonna be rebuilding probably sometime in either January or February, depends when I'm gonna get the trucks done, and also if I'm gonna be able to get the parts truck on that time. So if you guys just want to see the reveal of the vehicle, how bad is it, what kind of vehicle it is, make sure you press the like button. If you guys willing to wait till February, no problem, it's fine with me. That project needs to be done anyway, and all those projects needs to be finished also. A little bit of update on the Ford. I got all the parts for the Ford is currently waiting until I get the Sierra back together, because I don't want that truck be disassembled and then I will have a hard time to put everything back together. While memory is fresh, it's easier to work on it right now. And plus I have most of the parts also. If the Sierra gonna stuck on something like I couldn't get the parts, I have to wait, I'll jump back on the Ford and continue working on the Ford. But for now, it's gonna be all GMC Sierra until I get to that point where I can't move with the Sierra no more, then I'll jump on the Ford. Hope that makes sense, because a lot of you guys asked where's the Ford. Ford is parked on the backyard, it's covered with the tarp. Not a whole lot left there to be done with it, but a Sierra is #1 priority right now, because winter is coming and pretty soon it's gonna be snow, and I want that truck being rolling around on its own power like a Ford. And all the parts outside, I don't want to cover them, so I will go through all the parts that are usable, I'll use it, and those ones are not usable, I'll just throw in a pile on the parts truck and just get the parts truck on the backyard. That way I'll have 2 trucks that are running, and whichever I'll have a parts, or whichever truck will be ready to continue on, I'm gonna do that. Hopefully I cleared out everything. Now let's get the truck frame into garage. Oh man, I did it! I finally got this freaking frame into the garage. It was a big pain in the butt. I need to stop buying projects. I need to buy myself either Bobcat or backhoe or forklift, something. Oh, it was a pain in the butt to get this frame in here. But hopefully this is gonna be I would say last time, hopefully, when I'll put the cap on the frame, and hopefully that's gonna be last time when I'm pushing this frame back and forth. All I'm gonna have to do next time is push it out, install the cab, push it back in, assemble, and hopefully on that time I'm gonna be able to start the truck. So now what I need to do, I need to put this exhaust back together. This piece goes over here, connects to the housing of the turbo, then this housing exhaust connects. I need to connect everything over here, and then this DPF thing goes over here. And basically I think I'm gonna be done with this. Then I'm gonna jump on the cap and gonna install everything on the firewall, so it would be complete and ready to be dropped it over here. I already see this and it's gonna be awesome. So guys, I think I should stop right here for now because I don't remember what I put the gasket from exhaust. I remember I was real careful with it because I don't want to break it and I don't want to buy it. I put it somewhere and I forgot, so I'll have to get the gasket in there. And also, while I was routing the wires, also what I noticed is this is the positive goes to the starter, and you can see it's screwed up, so I'm gonna have to disconnect it from there and replace it. Also what I noticed, this is negative, but it's also broken over here. I could have fixed it on over this end over here, just because this end goes straight to the battery connector. I could have just make it work, but since it's broke over there, I don't want to deal with the electrical issues, so I'll have to replace that. But I mean, from here to there, it's gonna be still easy access even with the cab on, but replacing the gasket, it's gonna be impossible. Possible, but it's gonna be so much work needs to be done to replace the gasket. Also what I need is I need to replace that cross member, because this torsion bar pushed it, so I made the dent. That needs to be replaced also. But other than that, everything is assembled on this side. The tank is back, rear end the wiring, so exhaust is back. Everything looks connected. Hopefully not missing anything. Doesn't look like I am. So Monday I'll have to go to dealer and get this EGR valve, I believe what it called, and few pipes. You can see those pipes are crashed. Also, I hope my intake came in. What else? This pipes needs to be replaced, but that's something I can do with the cab on. Now I'm gonna jump in on the firewall and gonna install everything that I can there right now, and I think at this stage I should be ready to throw this cab on this frame. It's gonna be marriage time real soon. Can't wait. Anyway, let's just continue working. Let's continue to do stuff. That was quick. Actually, not a whole lot going on. I don't know why I was thinking there's much more needs to be done, but that's it. This is actually end. Actually, not completely right. I still have to find this piece over here, rubber piece for the steering wheel, but other than that, that's it. I got my positive, go on other side. This is the plastic piece that I was talking about in a previous episode that I need to replace. So this is gonna go, and I will install the new one. Heat shield back, and those lines are back also. Basically that's it. I'm ready to throw this cab back on the frame, and frame allows me to do so, except this gasket. Hopefully I'll find it tomorrow, and if I'll find it tomorrow or if I can buy it, I'm gonna throw the cab on the frame tomorrow. Man, can't wait. Oh man, it's getting on me. I'm really happy to see that this thing is finally start coming back together. It was It was actually a month of disassembling and now assembling time. Hopefully everything gonna go smooth. I'm gonna be able to find everything that I need to finish this project real quick. There's awesome stuff coming for this project. Hopefully everything gonna show up next week before Friday. And this truck gonna be so awesome, you guys can't believe it. And I actually can't show you what I see in my mind, how this truck gonna look. I'm happy to get my hands back on it. I spent a week, not the week, I left to California Thursday. I was there till Sunday, came back Monday. There's other stuff I had to do, so I'm really happy to get back on this project. And I want to finish this project by December 1st. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to do that. We'll see how everything goes. That's it, guys. That's gonna be a wrap for today's episode. I just wanted to start it. I had to start it late. I had to do some other stuff that I had to do, and this is what I was able to do it. Not a whole lot. I don't think I did it a lot, but at least I started, and at least everything start rolling. Thank you guys for stopping by. Like this video, comment down below, share this video with your family or friends so we get bigger. And also, if you haven't subscribed, do so, because you don't wanna miss any awesome stuff I'm doing on this channel. And don't forget following me on Instagram at SalvageMasterV to see inside scoop there before YouTube. Thank you for your support, and I'll catch you next one.